if we finish the first step with the yellow cross like this, and then we doing the second step, okay, just notice that this is not yellow and not yellow, okay, this is yellow, this is yellow, okay. I will choose one, okay, depends, and or you can choose this one also. So I'm coming back to here with the moving technique, up, out, down, out, up, out, out, down, and then you will get the fish review, and you always notice this yellow and yellow, okay. This means you have to use the moving technique, up, out, down, out, up, out, out, down. Now you can get the three sides like this: white, a side full, and yellow, okay. Then you doing the next step, okay. We take a look at for the twin color like this or this, or they have three twin colors, okay. Then we have to take a look the other side, another side of this, okay, with the full side is here on the left hand side, okay, with this, okay, twin color. So it's different, they are different here, okay, green and blue. This means you have to use the separation technique instead of the moving technique, okay. If this is the same color, you have to use the moving technique. Now we're using the separation technique, okay, for difference between these guys, okay. Separation technique is up, away, up, back here, down, back here, and down. Now you will get the fish revealed, but you can see this again with yellow, same. This means you have to use the moving technique, okay, up, out, down, out, up, out, out, down. Okay, now it's been changed. For this event, and this event with the three full sides,